people who want the entrepreneurial opportunity, they want to make a lot of money. They want to create a lot of wealth. Creating wealth and a big paycheck and a big salary are not necessarily synonymous terms.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. You have to embrace the suck. You have to be willing to take on risk, and you have to be confident in your abilities, because not everybody can be a successful entrepreneur. Yeah.
Nope. That's why they get paychecks.
Yeah. It's like, I go to these golf tournaments or tennis tournaments, and I see all these big time CEOs there, and I talk to them, and in most cases, I'm just totally underwhelmed. I'm thinking to myself, this guy has no idea what it's like to really build and grow a company.
Yep.
No idea.
Yep. It's a different mindset. And I don't know how to get people to flip that switch. But
I don't think you can I think it's up to guys like you and me to recognize someone who either has that or they don't have it. And that's what our clients pay us for. I can detect that very easily. Like when I have lunch back before the pandemic, where I used to actually meet everybody, face to face for lunch or dinner. Mm-hmm. If it was a guy that wanted to be a producer for one of my clients, I'd sit down with him and I ask him the first question I ask him, what is it that really motivates you? What is it? Mm-hmm. If I don't hear, I want to make a lot of money and create a lot of wealth. If I don't hear that, they're not a sales guy. If I hear, well, I want to help people, I want to, improve efficiencies, or I want to service people, help people.
Yep.
That was always a short lunch. Oh, I got a phone call. I got to run. I'm really sorry, man. And usually stick him with the check.
As a CEO, a guy named Roger Wolf once said to me, Roger Wolf said it very succinctly. He goes, all I need is people who will make me a lot of money or save me a lot of money.
There you go, man.
Everybody else is overhead.